Hi, it's Nick from ASKO, and in this video we're going to be talking about what this steam, oven, combi steam, assist, full steam, sous vide category is all about. Alright, and by the end of this, hopefully it's going to be a little bit more clear. Steam in ovens has been around for a long time. It's been in commercial kitchens, and today brands like ASKO are bringing that technology to your home. But all steam ovens are not equal. There are three main types of steam ovens: steam assist ovens, and combi steam ovens. So steam ovens. That refers to steam-only ovens. They don't have a traditional heating element, and the oven will produce steam at temperatures of up to 100 degrees. Steam-assisted ovens. This refers to a normal oven that will inject moisture into the cavity in order to improve your cooking results. Temperatures that are achievable are up to 230 degrees. There are usually multiple levels of steam. They might be depicted as level 1, 2, 3, or 25%, 50%, and 75% steam. This is good for baking, resulting in general cooking just tasting better. Roasts more succulent, and cakes fluffier. The third and final type are what we call a combi steam oven, and they can be referred to as full steam ovens. These ovens are a combination of steam and steam assisted ovens. They have three main functions: traditional oven cooking, so without steam; combi steam settings out of the steam assisted ovens; and finally, steam functions. With ASKO combi steam ovens, we also include features such as sous vide to allow you to have restaurant quality meals at home. This is the only type of steam oven ASKO produce, as we do not want our customers to compromise. An ASKO combi steam is easy to identify, as the model begins with OCS, oven combi steam. We make our combi steam ovens in two sizes: compact, or 45 centimetre, or full size, 60 centimetre. This means that your customers can take home the right ASKO oven for their kitchen.